Yes. Ah! Yes! Charot, charot! Name your favorite country for Miss A. Of course, we have Anita. Anita, Miss Philippines. Ayan. Yes! Oh. Ah, Germany. Girl. India. Yes. Hong Kong, happy birthday again. Oh, Honduras. Yes. Oh, Japan, Korea. Luxembourg, morning. Macau. Yes. So, here are our Miss Asia Pacific girls here in Ayala, Cebu. Hi, Malaysia! Yes. Yes, okay. We have Mexico. Mexico. Hola, Mexico. Good morning. Mongolia. Good morning, Morocco. Love the hair. Nepal. Netherlands. New Zealand. Of course. Wow, love the hair. Nigeria. And of course, we have Peru. Our favorite Miss Peru.